and you can decide if it is a great opportunity for you. What is up everyone, my name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. I want to show you the basics and actually jump into my computer and show you how Amazon FBA works, and you can decide if it is a great opportunity for you. It was for me. I'm doing it full-time right from my home office, and Amazon does a lot of the work, so I could be making sales right now. I know it seems too good to be true. There are certain things you need to do and certain steps to follow, and that's what I'm going to go over. So if you want to learn more about Amazon FBA, we are going to jump into my computer right now and I'm going to show you my Amazon store and how everything works. Let's go. Alright everyone, we are inside my computer and we are going to go over the basics of Amazon FBA. First off, if you don't know what Amazon FBA stands for, it means Fulfillment by Amazon. And if you read the screen here, Amazon does pretty much everything for you. They store all of your inventory, they pack and ship your products. So the only thing that you need is a laptop or a computer, and you could do this from anywhere in the world. That's why it's really cool. You don't need a store, you don't need a big warehouse for your inventory. You don't have to be shipping products all the time because Amazon does everything. So the only thing you need, like I said, is a laptop and an internet connection, and you manage everything directly from your Seller Central account. This is mine right here. You can see all of your sales, all of your orders are right here, all of your inventory, all of your advertising reports that you're running, all the reports. Everything is all in Seller Central, so you only need your computer to run the whole business. And it's really cool because I also use Amazon to fulfill all of my Etsy and eBay orders. Amazon works as a multi-channel fulfillment center. Since they have your inventory, they will ship it to wherever you want it to go, and you just pay a small fee. So that's another cool option with Amazon FBA that I use. But let's get into it. The main part is finding a good product to sell. You just can't find a random product and hope it sells. There's a pretty big process to finding a product, and you have to learn what to look for. So let's jump into that right now. Okay, so we're on Amazon and we are using a tool called Helium 10. This is how you see what all of the other sellers are doing. You could see their revenue right here, the price. They're doing it all by FBA. So these are all FBA sellers. They're just sending their inventory to Amazon, and Amazon is handling everything for them. But you can see right here that these people are doing a lot in revenue. Now this isn't profit, it's revenue. So it all depends on your profit margin. But these people are doing like $483,000 a month, $117,000 in sales a month, $368,000, $51,000 with only 47 reviews. So the main thing is you have to find a good product and you have to look at the amount of reviews. Now if you launch this product, it's going to be really competitive because customers are going to want to buy the product that has more reviews. If you have 2 reviews and they see these guys with 15,000, they're going to go for this one. So that's why it's really important to do the correct product and keyword research, so you find a product that will actually sell and it's not too competitive. You have to learn what to look for. But once you find a product on Amazon and you want to sell it, you look at all the numbers, you go directly to Alibaba.com, you type in the product that you want to search for. So I did cheese board right here. And then this is where you buy the products for cheap in bulk. So you buy like 200, 500, 1,000 units. And they range, like this one's $3.50, and then you sell it on Amazon for $17, $19, $22, whatever it is. And that is how you make your profit. You have to have a big enough profit margin, and you have to figure that all out before you start selling. So that is why it's important to learn from someone who's doing it and actually have a step-by-step process. As I said in the beginning, I wouldn't pitch a really expensive course, but I do have a complete course for under $100, which is really cheap compared to all the other ones out there. When I started, I spent over $2,000 on 3 different courses. That's the main thing people say is, why is your course so cheap? And that's a good thing because I don't want to rip people off and I want them to learn the whole process, and they need that money to start their business, to order their inventory, for all the advertising. So if you want to learn a complete step-by-step process, these are some of my student results. You could sign up or learn more down below, or contact me via Messenger. I'll answer anything for you, and I will give you everything that you need to know when you start selling on Amazon FBA. And you can see all of the contents inside of the course. I update it daily. Every month I add new videos, and you only have to pay one time, and I guarantee it'll save you a lot of money and mistakes, and it will limit your risk if you start selling on Amazon. Like I said, I'm doing it full time. You saw my Amazon Seller Central account. I'm a real seller. So if you want to learn more from someone who's actually doing it, I will see you there. Goodbye.